but we've tried everything we know to get rid of the rats.
Shut your trap. Which reminds me. You tested the new economy-sized gotcha rat trap we bought yesterday?
I did, Mr. Mayor.
Come on, man. The results?
Well, my wife and I set it up in the middle of the kitchen floor with at least half a kilo of the ripest gorgonzola.
Phew.
Be quiet. Proceed, counselor.
Yes, well, as I was saying before the somewhat rude interruption.
Get on with it.
Next morning there were all the rats.
En teatrap.
Great heavens. Nothing's going to stop me bestowing the Lord Mayor's gold medal on this fellow right away.
No, not in the trap. All the rats were sitting in a circle round the trap killing themselves laughing.
Silence. This is no laughing matter.
Turning to the third counselor.
Well, what about that rat poison you were going to use? Rat something or other?
Retov, jeg honor.
That's the stuff. Guaranteed to err.
To rækker all rats, jeg honor.
Yes, of course. Well, now, how did it go?
Not så godt, jeg honor. Instadoprækking thereof, I tunedtheren. I found all onionskreving til konguit his Thailands viking it down when he it har i vassen apostrof til looking.
Ronnie?
Ronnie til ret, jeg worship. His ken of til lader op til park. Put til en sasralf, en rogy en Rudolf.
You must be joking.
Oh no, jeg honor. They smyg godt we fanny. We ved graven to love og urrets. All of that ni only blanams and if war of things cyclible since little whiskers will feed it with run of till it gets better. Take Paul in Larigy, railway vers, til udgave her der i lydose som retter of an oceans as robust og roden der sæver ridleder skæse.
Someone get Dr. Quakoff. The counselor has gone ratty. I mean nutty. What else have we done? We must have done something else to get rid of this plague.
We've tried blocking their holes, but as faster we block them up, they make new ones.
And we've tried to burn them out, but only succeed in burning down our own houses.
I give up. We've done everything. I'm ready to resign. It's easy for the townspeople to say solve the rat problem, but my head's spinning so much that even the word rat gives me a big, ugly headache with a tail.
It's all quite hopeless. We'll never get rid of the rats.
There is a knock at the door.